Hi, Dale Titus here with today's 2-minute bass lesson. This is the 6th installment in our series on the modes, so we're at Aeolian. And Aeolian has other names that you may know it by. Natural minor, pure minor. It's a very common scale, and it's one you definitely need to know. Aeolian, let's start on Aeolian. And let's first of all, I'll let you hear it, how it sounds. So this is the pattern. Now let's look at the intervallic construction. What intervals make up the Aeolian mode? So it's a root, major second, minor third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, minor sixth, which is a very key tone to this mode, minor seven, and octave. Now as with any scale, we have to find out which chords it will work with so we know when to use it. If we don't know that information, we're never going to pull it out of our holster and shoot. So in this case, we look at the root, which is a root, minor third, perfect fifth, minor seven, and the octave. And we get a minor 7 arpeggio. Now that tells me that this mode would work with a minor triad, because the minor triad is there, or a minor 7 chord. And it's a perfect match. So these scale tones would match well with that chord. I did mention when I was showing you the interval construction that the minor 6 is such a key tone, because really, if you compare Aeolian to A Dorian, the only difference is where that 6th is. Aeolian, it's a minor 6, kind of dark, and in Dorian, it's a major 6, much more optimistic. So that's why some people ask me, why would I use one scale over the other? You have to look at what are the key tones that are different from the other scales, and that is why you would use it. If you want a darker sound, and maybe an angrier, more brooding sound, Aeolian has that minor 6, and use it, generously. If you want more of that funky kind of major 6 sound, then Dorian is your choice. So practice these, as always, practice them with every root on your fingerboard, improvise with them, make up bass lines. I really want you to create with everything I show you, every mode and every arpeggio, so that you have a personal relationship with these theoretical concepts. Because if not, they just stay as concepts. You don't put them in actual action and get some kind of relationship that you can use to relate to each theoretical concept better. So here's Aeolian, practice it, go back and review all of the modes. Make sure that you're not letting any of those slip away. Make sure you can play Phrygian on demand and Dorian on demand and get up to this Aeolian. And in the next video we'll cover the last mode, and then we can do some neat exercises in subsequent videos that kind of give you a chance to practice them and look at them a little differently. So there it is, Aeolian mode, the 6th mode of the church modes. If you have any questions about this, please just email me at dalet@danabygoods.com, and I'll reply to your email, but also most likely we'll do a future video about the topic. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and hope all is going well in your practices and your musical journey.